If you're tired of manually going through all of your social media insights one time for every post, there's a system that's going to help collect everything and put in one sheet for you so that you can look at all of them in one place. So it will be better and easier. So let me just see. So for this particular system, for this example purpose, I am using Instagram, right? You can do this for Facebook, LinkedIn, or whatever social media platform you want to collect insights from. The first module for this system is the Instagram for business, and the trigger here is to list the media. So the media here is the post. So it's going to pick up, details of a particular post that you made so that it can be able to extract the insights, if that makes sense. So the next module here, you can set your limit to pick up like only one time. So that means every time you want it to only pull up one social media insight, right? Or insight for one post, or not several posts. Of course, you have to keep in mind that this will only work for Instagram business account. So if your Instagram account is a personal one, it will not work, right? The next module is the Get Insight module, which is going to get insight of the media that it had listed from the first module. So it's going to pick the insights for the saved, the reach, and all the other parameters like that. The next module is the aggregator. So this one is going to aggregate the values. So you have like maybe there was like 1 like, 2 likes, and all of that. So it's going to aggregate all of that so that you can have like a whole number or one number, right? So the next module is the Google Sheet, which is going to be the last module. So it adds all of this data that we had collected, the social media insights are collected, and what it had aggregated. Is going to dump them here on the Google Sheet. So you pick your Google Sheet and then you pick where you want your values to be, and then you hit save. So that is a simple way to create this system that is going to extract your social media insights for you in an Excel sheet. So do let me know, is this a system that you would like to have? So let's use the system and see if it runs like it should. So first and foremost, this is the sheet that it is connected to. This is sheet 3. So this is the media ID, the like count, and this are the aggregate for the like count and comments. I did not put anything there. So we currently have three media insights here. So let's run this once and see what we get. So mind you, I put my limit to 1. So that means it's only going to give me one media insight at a time. So it's not going to give me more than 1. So let's run this once. Okay, let's go to our sheet and see what we have. So we have the 4th one here. And all these 000 just means that I don't have likes and comments. It's a new page. So I really just put out post test this. So if I had likes and comments, it would obviously show here and it would aggregate them here for me. But I don't have. So that's why you keep seeing 00000. Okay. So this system works perfectly. And I don't know, is it a system that you would like to have? I'm interested and I'm curious to know this. So just let me know in the comments if this is something that you think would work for you, or you prefer manually going to look at the insides of all of your posts. Let me know.